बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया वक्त पर होने के लिए because on time to a web press conference in our own living rooms, in our own drawing rooms. So yeah, this is pretty great. I'm so excited to say hello to everybody from my living room because this is the times that we cannot make sense of. But सबसे पहले, of course, I want to say a very warm welcome to all our friends from the media and a big thank you for taking out some time from your busy schedules to join us today. We hope that सबसे पहले और आपके लव्ड वंस जो हैं सेफ हैं और हेल्दी है. माय नेम इज रोकीन एंड आप मुझे रेडियो पर सुनते हैं, लेकिन कुछ मौके ऐसे मिलते हैं जहां पर अपना चेहरा भी आता है. एंड टुडे ऑफ कोर्स थैंक्स टू टेक्नोलॉजी आपके सामने आने वाले हैं वही चेहरे, ओके, who you absolutely love because this fantastic show. Going through a very right now, but as they say, the show must go on. सबसे पहले हम शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहते हैं मीडिया फ्रेटर्निटी का for constantly working and supporting us even in times like these. Having silence gives us the strength and motivation to reach viewers all year round. Times आपको चाहिए ताकि ऑडियंसेस जो हैं घर पर ही बैठे और घर से बाहर ना निकले, ताकि उनको engaging content जो है दिया जाए in this really tough lockdown period. From the Alt Balaji and Z5 family, we'd like to extend our gratitude to each one of you as we look to commence the virtual press conference of Barish Season 2. आज हमारे साथ of course cast हैं इस web series के Barish Season 2 के. And in the previous season, of course, अगर आप already जानते हैं, the audience witnessed an unusual story, okay, of Gauravi, a middle-class girl, and Anuj, a rich businessman. And बहुत ही complex love story रही है, लेकिन audience ने इनके इस love story को इतना सराहाया है, इतनी ज़्यादा तारीफ और इतना सारा प्यार दिया है that we are so encouraged. The new season will of course start right from where it left off, making some new additions जिनके बारे में मैं तो जानती हूँ, but I'm so excited to present the trailer to you guys because trailer देखते ही आप समझ जाएंगे कि season 2 ज़्यादा भारी क्यों हो सकता है, ज़्यादा entertaining क्यों हो सकता है, and of course ज़्यादा exciting क्यों हो सकता है because of the addition of some really exciting members. Before we start, of course, सबसे पहले okay, I'd like to roll out the trailer. ये ट्रेलर के बारे में मैं आपको ये बता दूं that it's a roller coaster ride full of emotions. लेकिन जैसे कि हमेशा हर अच्छी कहानी में होना चाहिए, the star-studded cast of Barish Season 2, ladies and gentlemen, please say hello to Sharman Joshi. Please say hello to Asha Negi. Please say hello to Manoj Jora. Priya Banerjee, welcome.
Hi everybody.
Sahil Shroff. और Anuj Singh Duhan. Hi guys.
Hi everyone.
अरे वाह साहिल, I like the mustache है.
Wow, thank you.
अच्छा है. Asha, I like your mustache also, yeah.
Thanks. This is my quarantine look.
The quarantine special.
Yeah.
When we were all just connecting, that people are happy to see each other after so many days. तो सब excitement है, genuine खुशी है कि ये cast जो है reunite कर रहा है. I'm of course going to start. Hi Sharman, how are you doing?
Very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm fantastic. सबसे पहले तो यही पूछना पड़ेगा कि भाई लॉकडाउन कैसा रहा है, क्या बढ़ा है, दाढ़ी बढ़ी है, you know, या फिर patience जो है वो बढ़ा है. Let's start off with one of these sort of questions.
You know what? I mean, my heart goes out to everyone who's having a tough time out there. But apart from that, I've had a great time. You know, honestly, on the trot since the past almost a year and a half, and this was a great break. Spending a lot of quality time.
As far as the feedback goes.
And
okay, so we can.
Sorry, go ahead.
There is this little joke running around on WhatsApp where it says that you know, extroverts don't worry, it'll all get over soon, and introverts stop laughing at them. So I completely relate to that. I'm very happy at home.
Oh God!
I'm afraid I won't want to step out now ever again.
है ना? Honestly, it's a function of privilege और हम सब कितने privileged हैं कि घर बैठे हमको ये तो you know जरिया मिल रहा है entertain करने का अपने आप को, साथ ही साथ बढ़िया खाना भी मिल रहा होगा. And while we're mindful of the fact that हम ये इसलिए कर रहे हैं ताकि ये बीमारी जो है And I think that's the most responsible thing to do right now. I'm of course going to go up next to Asha. Hi, Asha.
Hello, hi.
Hey, छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा आपको ऑब्जर्व ये बताओ कि सबसे खास बात क्या रही है इस लॉकडाउन की तुम्हारे?
फ्रैंकली बताऊं, मेरे दोस्त मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि तूने इतना मैनिफेस्ट किया क्या घर में बैठना कि लॉकडाउन हो गया, सब घर में बैठे हैं. एंड मतलब मैं एक तरह से बदनाम हूँ अपने दोस्तों में, क्योंकि मैं बाहर, मुझे जाना पसंद ही नहीं है, घर पे रहना इज व्हाट आई लव डूइंग. एंड जब से लॉकडाउन हुआ है मेरे तो बहुत मजे आए हुए हैं. एंड मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है लाइक आफ्टर लॉकडाउन मुझे लॉकडाउन विड्रॉल्स होंगे. I'm really going to miss this.
So now you know where the chemistry between Asha and me comes. We think of it.
But that's true. Asha never leaves the house. Asha never leaves the house. Like I have to drag her out of her house. She's so happy. She's the happiest right now.
No,
I am.
I think one of the most interesting lockdowns साहिल का चल रहा है, क्योंकि साहिल जरा बताइए तो सही कि आप कहाँ हैं?
जी मैं लकीली लोनावला पहुंच गया था और फिर मैंने सुना कि लॉकडाउन हो रहा है तो मैंने जल्दी से अपना जो भी सामान है मंगा दिया बॉम्बे से और मैं यहाँ ही हूँ 1.5 महीने से. बहुत सुंदर है यहाँ पे एंड आई एम वेरी लकी बट वी हैव डन सम गुड वर्क. I contacted some friends, some villagers over here needed some food, so I was busy with that for about 2 weeks, feeding close to like 200 families over here, which Vikram, by the way, contributed also to. So
Wow.
It's been interesting. It's been very nice, but it's been a lot of work. I never thought I'd be so busy at the quarantine period. Just like Asha and Sharman, I'm also a bit of a homebody. I like to stay home a lot. So it's kind of it makes no difference to my life really. It's just that I'm in a different place. It's very beautiful over here, and it's a green zone now. So everything is open today. I went and the whole town was out. So very fortunate, but a very difficult time for everyone. So उसके लिए थोड़ा बहुत ह्यूमिलिटी आ जाता है क्योंकि अभी जो वक्त है वो बहुत ही मुश्किल है लोगों के लिए.
हिंदी शाबाश.
I know.
हाँ, so that's it. Yeah.
Thank you so much. मैं एक बात कॉमन नोटिस कर रही हूँ और लड़कियाँ, the girls of course will agree with me that the boys are looking fab with their hair grown out. थोड़ा माने बाल काटे हैं कि नहीं अब तक?
नहीं, बाल किधर कटे, कोई था ही नहीं काटने के लिए. और अनफॉर्चुनेटली पता नहीं फॉर्चुनेटली और अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं तो सिंगल भी हूँ, तो बाल काटने वाला वैसे भी कोई नहीं है.
बहुत जरूरी है.
No, but it's fun, yeah. Where we get the time to grow our hair, yeah. So it's fine. It's just a new look. Otherwise, all trim and proper. When you have to go for a meeting or a shoot or something like that, you have to keep your look spick and span. But this is the time when you can grow your hair.
क्या बात है, fantastic.
So fantastic.
लॉकडाउन में वर्कआउट भी जोरों शोरों से चल रहे हैं. एटलीस्ट आपको देख के तो ये लग रहा है that you haven't given up on your workouts. Is that correct?
You talking to me?
Yes, Anuj.
Yeah. Actually, मैं बहुत बिजी हूँ आजकल. मतलब सुबह उठता हूँ, खाना खाता हूँ, ठीक है, फिर बैठ जाता हूँ, फिर खाना खाता हूँ, फिर बैठ जाता हूँ, फिर खाना खाता हूँ. No shaving, no haircut, nothing, no workout. But I mean, अपने आप ही बढ़ रही है बॉडी, because relaxing, chilling, और कुछ करने को है नहीं. और yeah, I mean, it's a good time. Like I agree with Asha and Sharman sir कि मतलब मेरे को ही मजा आ रहा है घर बैठे बैठे ना. अब ऐसा लगता है कि मतलब जब खुलेगा सब कुछ तो I don't know what I'll do.
जाना भी है कि नहीं बाहर?
हाँ, जाना भी है बाहर, नहीं जाना, करना क्या है?
Guys, of course, once again, I just want to remind everybody that it's a privilege, कि हम अपने घरों में बैठ सकते हैं. And honestly, putting out a show during this time has come, at the right time for the fans. And at this point, of course, I want to get Priya. Priya, तुम्हारे लिए ये lockdown जो है, okay, has it been a much required pause? या फिर you're somebody who's just dying to get out of the house because you seem like someone who wants to go out.
I don't know why people have this impression of me that I love going out.
We can answer this for you. We have not an impression. We just know your lifestyle. So,
listen, look at Asha. I am actually a very home person. I love staying at home. Sahil, please. But I like
Right.
making plans, which never works out because of my, so-called ashas, in the never make it happen. But I am very happy sitting at home. I'm waking up, I'm cooking, I'm cleaning. I'm very, very happy. Yeah. In fact, I'm also scared that now when everything will open up, I'm not sure how, in fact, today when we had to come for live and I had to do my makeup, I think, and I forgot how to look good. I was like, what am I supposed to do with my face, So I'm enjoying it. It's great. I'm loving it. I'm getting to spend time with myself and it's a good time. Yeah? I think everybody should just cherish this because I don't know when we'll get this back again.
बिल्कुल भागदौड़ की जिंदगी में जब एक कहते हैं ना कि एक रिचुअलिस्टिक पॉज जो हम सब ने लिया है, दुनिया भर ने लिया है, इट्स सो अमेजिंग दैट यू गाइस पुट टुगेदर दिस शो एंड ड्रॉप्ड इट एट द राइट टाइम. जब ये शो आया तो लोगों को सच्ची में एक नई कहानी देखने का मौका मिला एंड इतना ज्यादा प्यार भी इस कहानी को मिला है. So Sharman, I'm gonna come back to you at this point. Let's talk about the reception of season 1 and season 2 में ट्रेलर में काफी कुछ हमने देखा है, लेकिन सच्ची बताइए और बेशरम हो गए हैं क्या?
हाँ बिल्कुल. मैं तो चाहता था कि और हों, लेकिन इन लोग ने एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया मेरा प्रपोजल. No, season 1 has had a great response. We understand that targets for 6 months were achieved in 6 weeks, and we were very pleased and very happy. What I think all of us felt that there's this show amongst all this, even at that point of time, which is about a year back, with all these noir thrillers and edge of the seat kind of action stuff happening. There was this one simple family love drama also there to be offered to the people, and I think we all kind of thought that it will be a clutter breaker in that sense. Imagine this being a clutter breaker. This is a stereotypical kind of a show, and times have so changed that this seems to be a clutter breaker now. And I think it will continue in the same way. Even right now at home, look for options to watch on your OTT platforms. Simple, easy stuff is very hard to find, and that's why I've been watching British shows of late. They're easy paced and they are lovely. I love that country as it is. I watch those shows and feel at peace. I think Barish will be the India offering in that nature. It's a lovely, happy, feel good, a bit of drama, and it'll make you feel good and light, I think.
Yeah, it is absolutely making everybody feel good. ये बात कि दो ऐसे प्रोटैगनिस्ट जो बाहर से तो बड़े ही सिंपल लोग लगते हैं, लेकिन as always complexity होती है. And I think the backdrop, which is बारिश, is so beautiful क्योंकि बारिश से nostalgia है, बारिश के साथ गाने हैं, and there's a love for the retro as well. So Asha, let's move over to you with our next question. Season 2 में अभी सबसे पहले मुझे बताइए, what has been the most exciting part?
The most exciting part about
season 2 जब
season 2
बना रहे थे.
Okay, frankly, if I answer, it was the gajar ka halwa that Nandita ma'am used to get.
Oh yeah.
I'm sorry, but that's the truth.
I love truth. I love अगर ये truth or dare का होता तो I would love it. I would still play host. मुझे ये story बताओ because I think there's like 100 people.
Viewers, please do not grade Barish season 2 on the basis of Asha's answer.
Listen, I cannot forget that gajar ka halwa, but yes,
No, you
most
can
exciting.
Halwa, no problem.
Okay, the most exciting thing would be, I think, knowing each other already, and the coming together for another season. And I think when it comes to the show, I think this is a notch. We've gone a notch higher than the previous season, and we've all tried to make a better version of Barish season 1.
Yeah.
And I think, we could feel it while shooting it. So I think, knowing each other already and then meeting them again and doing, working together again. So that was really exciting.
Wow, there's a lot of questions which will come in from, of course, our friends from the press already. Indian Express जो है पूछना चाहता है शर्मा और आशा आपसे. It's been years since the show first came. Did you all stick to the character easily या फिर वक्त लगता है जब आप season 2 बना रहे होते हैं तो उसी character में उसी के nuances में जाना? This is a great question actually. शर्मा, क्या ये process के बारे में आप हमें बता सकते हैं?
I think it's kind of easier in that sense. You have some sort of a reference. Like Asha said, also there's a big advantage in knowing all your co-actors, knowing your director, and the material that is expected. You're familiar with, so it makes the journey a little more easier than the first time round for sure. But as far as my character is concerned, I think for me the journey was a little away from the first season characterization, in the sense that Anuj is, he's now learnt English and he has upped his game, and he's a little more dynamic in terms of how he is with even his near and dear ones.
Yeah.
And he was generally someone who was not getting into confrontation, but now he's not like that. He takes the bull by the horn. So those are the certain changes in Anuj's character, which I think the way Nandita and the writers and Nandita directed it, it was fairly easy to execute in that sense.
Asha, तुम्हारे लिए to come back into the character, क्या थोड़ा सा वक्त लगा या क्योंकि आप ऑलरेडी कंफर्ट लेवल के साथ चल रही थी?
आई थिंक वक्त तो नहीं लगा. इनफैक्ट हम लोग इतने कंफर्टेबल हो गए थे कि ऐसे लग रहा था दो फ्रेंड्स होंगे साथ में. तो नंदिता मैम हैड टू टेल अस, गाइस तुम लोग बहुत कंफर्टेबल लग रहे हो, थोड़े से यू हैव टू बी लिटिल शाय, अ लिटिल ऑकवर्ड. ओह सॉरी फॉरगॉट. So yeah, that's it. But otherwise, I think within 2 or 3 days of the shooting, we started, feeling the same Gauravi I could feel, and yeah, just 2-3 days of shoot. That's it. But yeah, इतने comfortable हो गए थे, इतने अच्छे दोस्त बन गए थे कि वो ऐसे screen पे दिख रहा था. So that we had to.
क्या बात. Sahil, I noticed that सबसे खतरनाक line तुम्हारी है. Oh my God! Like it gives us a chill down our spine. थोड़े अपने इस किरदार के बारे में हमें बताएं.
जी, ये जो कैरेक्टर है वो मेरे से बहुत दूर है. In compared to my characteristics, I think
एक रोल है.
नंदिता मैम और मैंने शो सीजन 1 शुरू होने के पहले ही उस पर बहुत काम किया था कि we want him to be likable in a very negative sense to some extent. So I tried to make him as likable, which is funny because some people actually really like him, and strangely it worked out. But वो सब नंदिता मैम का काम है to bring it out of me. You have to give her all the credit. She always said one thing to me: why do you care so much? That was it. The minute she told me why do you care so much, I said ठीक है यार, जो भी बोलना है अभी, I'll not give a shit and say it. So it worked out well. Yeah.
Thank you. That's some really good sort of behind the scenes expressions, coming
Wow.
from the actor to the actor. Amit, मुझे बताओ कि इस season 2 में
Don't you cracking?
Yeah, I can't hear you properly. Sorry.
Yeah, I can't hear you properly.
खास बात season 2 की क्या रही है तुम्हारे टीम में?
For me, I think for me the best thing of season 2 is coming back, because in season 1 I had a very short role, and coming back to season 2, meeting everybody was fantastic in itself, and working with Sharman sir, Asha, working with Nandita ma'am again was like fantastic, because the kind of freedom she gives you, she just lets you perform, she lets you be in, which is fantastic. And I think it's very difficult to find a story which is simple yet very entertaining, and that was entertaining. And plus my character name was, I and my character, we share the same name, of course. That was special. So, and in fact season 1 में मेरा नाम ही नहीं था. मेरी वैनिटी के बाद भी लॉयर लिखा हुआ था. मुझे लगा वाह इतना अच्छा नाम है. तो season 2 में उन्होंने मुझे मेरा नाम दे दिया. So I think that was I think everything about season 2 was special. I still remember I was nervous on the very first day we were shooting in Bandra, and I was nervous. And Sherman sir, I never said this thing to you, but Sherman sir had a very peculiar smile, and so has Asha. And you know, he kind of the way he makes you comfortable, the way he welcomes you. You as an actor, it's very it's a very welcoming feeling, you know, when another actor to his stature who welcomes you, you know, who lets you
did that to us.
makes you comfortable. So that's a very that's
I think
that's a very sweet thing.
Work on their smiles, huh? थोड़ी peculiar सी smile बनानी पड़ेगी हम सबको भी. Guys, I think this is a great time to actually take a screenshot. So I'm gonna ask all of you to look your best, pout, okay, like me, and of course हमारे जो host हैं वो एक screenshot लेंगे. So 3, 1. I hope.
Okay, my jaw is hurting.
Stop laughing.
Oh God! I never.
All right, this is for
We
anyone.
are stop pouting.
You're done?
Holy shit!
I didn't pout. I was smiling.
We loved your pout. Yeah. Of course, before we get the media in and they're gonna ask questions one by one. Please, guys, ये मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ा moment था जब मैंने ट्रेलर में जीतू जी को देखा. मैंने कहा jaw drop, and the idea of having him, you know, and I'm dying to see कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं आपके show में. But anyone wants to take this answer, like a sort of incident. होता ना कि आप ऐसे स्टार से पहली बार जब मिलते हैं तो बड़ा मजा आता है.
No, so well, I was really looking forward to working with Jeetu ji when I have heard that he's going to be a part of this season, and I can't tell you, I think all of us were super excited to work with him, share the screen space. It was such a thing of honor for each one of us. And then when Jeetu Saab came and he spent time with us and shared so many little stories and about his professional life, personal life, and it was really nice. And he was very happy to be on the set constantly, and Nandita felt the pressure of him being around, because even when he didn't have his shot, he would be around, and she used to feel a little worried that she's not bothering him. But obviously she realized, and so did we, that he was just happy to be on set and spend as much time with everyone and enjoy himself. And that's the spirit he came in with, and that's why we all had a lot of fun. There was a lot of joy and excitement on the set.
Thank you, Sharman. Thank you so much for that answer, because I can only imagine what it is, to have a legend working alongside. बस मैं कहती हूँ ना कि तवज्जो जो है, वैसे भी ये शो को इतनी मोहब्बत, इतना प्यार मिला है, और इनके एडिशन के साथ it'll always be memorable, for this reason. बहुत शुक्रिया. I think First Post is joining us. E24 is with us. आप में से, of course, you can ask your questions, guys. I just want to take this to the media professionals at this point.
Hi, everyone.
Sure कि आपके साथ वो personal territory में ना जाएं, because it's a very special time for us to come together to promote our season 2.
There's a fan that's going to be interviewing also, I see.
पंखा जो है वो आ गया है, अच्छा लग रहा है. तो आप में से I think Film Window is unmuted. Namaskar.
Yeah. What? It's been a 20-year of marriage, yeah. So ups and downs are a part of any relationship, whether it's 20 years or 2 or 5 or 10. The beauty is that if you still connect with each other and you all can still bring joy to each other, तो मजा है. Otherwise मजा नहीं है.
I'm going to move on to the next question जो Teli Chakkar ने हमें दिया है, because we are very short on time, guys. I hope you can understand. What has been the toughest scene for Asha and Sharman to shoot? Asha, you want to take this?
Yeah, okay, so for this season, the toughest scene, of course, was our kiss scene, because this was my first on-screen kiss. And I was very nervous. And Nothing. I think Nandita ma'am and Charman made it really comfortable for me at that moment, and she asked me that if I have a problem with it or not. So I was like, I don't have a problem, but it's just that I'm going to be all awkward and shy and like a loser. So you only tell me what to do and I'll do it. So yeah, this season it will be like my toughest scene for season 2.
I like how साहिल और प्रिया इतना हंस रहे हैं. प्रिया तुम जरा ये सीक्रेट शेयर करो, इतना क्यों हंस रही हो यार?
We all friends, yeah. It's okay. It's like you're not.
Hi.
Yeah, no, just because she was very nervous. She was very nervous. In fact, I was not even shooting that day, and I'm getting messages. I was supposed to come and see her, so I was like, I'm gonna come after you're done shooting, so I'll come now. And she's like, no, don't come. So I thought something happened, something serious happened on set. And then she was like, no, I'm kissing on screen, and she was so shy. She was like, if you come, I'm gonna get very awkward. So I was like, okay, bye now. Come on set. Actually very nervous. Like I've never seen anybody so nervous for an on-screen kiss.
That's amazing. I don't know why it seems like only Asha was shy. Sharman, I'm sure that men also were shy. Let's talk about this process for you. क्या ये आपके लिए भी सबसे toughest scene था shoot करने के लिए?
ऑफसेट काफी प्रैक्टिस हो चुकी थी, तो मतलब ऑनसेट पे तकलीफ नहीं हुई थी. सॉरी बोलना नहीं था. आई एम सो सॉरी. नहीं ऐसा. अरे इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट यार. बहुत टफ था, बहुत मुश्किल था.
Reel that back in.
No, you know what? She was very uncomfortable, and thankfully Priya was there that day, and she told her that you calm down and you are making Sharman also possibly uncomfortable. I think उस type का कुछ conversation हुआ था. Or I have done a few kissing scenes in many of my films. So I was जब भी मैं सोचता था कि यार initial 1-2 फिल्मों में जब मैंने kissing scenes किए थे, I thought I'll have to be chivalrous and I'll have to make the lady comfortable. और उस attitude से गया, और ये the ladies in question were so comfortable with themselves. So मैं तो comfort उनको पहुंचाने से बदले they made me awkward कि वो लोग इतने comfortable थे, I became awkward. So in this case it was nice to Asha's case के वो इतनी uncomfortable थी, तो for a change I got to play the man in command or in control.
I'm gonna once again tell our friends from the press, बहुत शुक्रिया आप हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं. But for some reason right now it's a bit of a technical nightmare to take too many questions and videos on. So I am going to that आप में से जितने भी लोग हैं, आप अपने सवाल करें.
Season 1 जब popular होता है, got you. Okay.
Afterthought.
Was season 2 an afterthought?
Yes.
Yeah. No, I don't think so, because the way season 1 ended now. I mean, it was pretty obvious that there would be a season 2, because that wouldn't be an end to any season of any kind of drama or any story for that matter. So I think we all thought there would be a season 2, unless of course reception बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार वाला मिलता तो शायद नहीं होता season 2.
Yeah. All right, this is a nice question. Namrata from India TV. Sharman and Asha. लॉकडाउन के बाद पहली चीज क्या करना चाहते हैं?
पहली चीज क्या करना चाहते हैं? I heard. उससे पहले
लॉकडाउन के बाद आई थिंक मैं अपने सारे फेवरेट रेस्टोरेंट में जाके खाना चाहती हूँ, एंड मैं मूवी देखने जाना चाहती हूँ, और शूट ऑफ कोर्स शूट करना चाहती हूँ वापस से. या
अब तो ऐसा लगता है रोड पे घूमना भी लग्जरी था. And we took it for granted.
Yeah.
अनुज, आप क्या करना चाहते हैं लॉकडाउन के बाद?
Lockdown के बाद, I think even I just want to step out. That's all. Get some fresh air. What we are taking for granted, Anuj ne jaise kaha, just walking on the roads was also seemed like a luxury. I just want to do that, and I want to feel people around me get irritated with that. वो वाली feeling कब उसका एहसास I'm sure बहुत time के बाद होगा. But yeah, I want to do that. Just step out.
अनुज ने आपसे ये सवाल पूछे हैं.
हाँ, I was confused क्योंकि जब भी कोई अनुज बोलता है ना तो सेट पे भी ऐसे ही होता था. अच्छा अनुज, अच्छा नहीं वो
शर्मन फिल्म कैरेक्टर.
नहीं, so मेरे को तो जिम जाना है यार. I want to work out.
बढ़िया.
That's all I can think about right now. खत्म हो तो मैं वहाँ जाऊँ and lift some heavy weights. And yeah, obviously back to work.
Back to work. साहिल.
मैं तो घूम रहा हूँ बहुत यहाँ पे पहाड़ियों में और आउटडोर्स बहुत एक्टिविटीज है यहाँ पे, तो I'm okay. But I want to same with like Sharman said, be around people. काम पे shooting करना है. Of course, I'm missing work and food like Asha. Love to eat, so restaurants and just be around your friends, play football. You know, normal life basically. So yeah.
Priya, पहली चीज.
I think food. I want to eat at all my favorite places. I miss eating out and, you know, all these like street side food that I'm really missing because I love all those, you know, junk kind of things. And I guess work, yeah, like going back to work again, I miss being around people, that vibe, the energy on set. So I'm really missing that. And go to the movies. I miss watching a movie in the theater. I'm really, really missing that. So as Asha said, actually, all the three things: food, theater, and then yeah.
I miss somebody else cooking for me and me also not washing the dishes after that.
Yes, how's that?
Done with it.
We're all gonna hug our bodies when they come back.
Clean the dishes after that, man.
You know, I sometimes act like I eat and I act like as if I've not eaten. तो मैं अपना plate को लेके bed के नीचे slide कर देता हूँ.
And then you'll have to take it out eventually and clean it. No, you can't.
Yeah, man. But at least at that point of time, you want to feel lazy and just lie down the way you used to.
That's the secret. You know, this is an interesting question. और सवाल ये है, Asha, most of your characters on screen have been the simple ones. As an actor, do you worry about breaking that mold? Indian Express की तरफ से है.
Yes, of course, I do really want to, you know, explore more characters, and I also feel that since few years now, I've been only doing similar Girl Next Door, matlab, you know, good girl characters. I also like really want to do something different. There is another web show that I'm probably, you know, I won't be able to tell you guys about it yet because the official announcement hasn't been made, but it is a little different for it from you know, the characters that I've played before, and I'm really excited for that one to come out. But currently, I'm really excited for Gauravi. I'm really excited for my work to come out.
That's fantastic. Telly Chakkar की तरफ से सवाल है. Best बारिश moment for Asha and Sharman in their real lives.
Sharman, you want to start?
That's personal.
For me, it's been my dad. Yeah. Immediately, the best moments, and it brings the thought of my dad. The first Shahs in Bombay. My dad used to be up on his feet and was charading the entire house into the car and setting out for a drive either to Lonavala, Khandala, or Pune or somewhere like that, depending on the time that we had. But it was always the first Shahs he wanted to, you know, go out for a drive with the family, and those are those fondest memories I have. And then stop on the way to Lonavala, the popular vada paos on the way, and then the chais
and chikki.
चिक्की या पर वो बारिश में वो वड़ा पाव खाने का मजा जो अपने
मजा लगता है.
all that was, you know,
लहसुन की चटनी के साथ, yum.
All I can think about is chola bhatura right now.
Don't do this right now, Anuj. Okay, for me it would be back in Dehradun, my hometown, because you know life used to be so simple back there. बारिश हो रही है शाम के टाइम, मम्मी ने चाय और पकौड़े बना दिए, वरांडे में बैठ के चाय और पकौड़े खा रहे हैं और बस वही, like I really don't miss Mumbai ki rain yet. I don't know why, but it's Dehradun that, you know, makes me miss the rain and that chai pakoda, and especially मम्मी के हाथ का ना, अभी तो और भी ज्यादा याद आ रही है. क्योंकि बना बनाया मिलता था. So yeah.
बढ़िया बढ़िया. रूपेश आप सबसे पूछना चाहता है कि बेस्ट मोमेंट ऑफ बारिश सीजन 1 आपके लिए क्या रहा है? Yeah, do you want to start?
Sorry, what was the question?
Best moments of बारिश सीजन 1 तुम्हारे लिए क्या रहा है?
For me, I think just meeting everybody. I think it's very rare that you work and your work becomes like your family. Like from Nandita to Sharman to Asha. I mean, of course, initially you don't know how it's going to be, and you're just ready to do your best. But then you just connect with people on such a personal level, which is beyond the fact that you're working. So you actually look forward to going to set and shooting. So I think for me as a whole, the whole experience with each and every one of them and connecting to them on a much deeper level rather than just as co-workers, I think that's been a great experience. I think I've made friends, that unexpected friends that I know are going to last for a very, very long time because of Barish. And I think that has been like the greatest experience for me. Just that connections that I've built on this show.
Well, thank you. And I think, Priya speaks for everyone. जब ये जवाब दे रही हैं, is that correct?
Correct. Yeah.
Fantastic. Sahil, I will take the next question to you. कहती है,
I can't hear you. Sorry.
Oh, is this the speaker? I wonder.
I'm holding the speaker also. Bolo.
Just hear it.
Huh?
Your biggest fan, Shrinal.
Okay. What is the question?
What can we expect from your character, Sahil? And are you looking forward to the monsoon? या आप उसके साथ rain dance करेंगे?
My character goes to another level this season. As you can tell in the trailer, he just ups himself to a few more grades. If you see it, it's negatively, but in the character-wise, he goes higher and higher. अभी 10 दिन पहले यहाँ पे बारिश हुई थी, so I'm not lying. I got out of the house. I went for a walk in the rain. I did my dance alone. There was no one to dance with. I did my dance alone. I had my headphones. I went for a run. And I'm a big fan of the rain. And every time there's a first or the second rain, there's definitely some kind of jig or a move will happen in the rain for sure. So I'm a big fan. Pakoda, vada pav, chai, lap it all up in one. It's all that one day, one whole day of all of that. So adding to Priya's point on one thing she said, for me, our favorite moment for all of us, for me, was the time we had a little get together at my house and everyone came and they ate. And I've never had this kind of vibe amongst people that we work with. So it was a very nice experience and I cherish that to one of the best times.
We were planning that this season also, but unfortunately, Corona happened. And,
yes.
Yeah.
We were planning to all come to Lonavala also. It didn't happen. So.
Oh yeah, you're the one in Lonavala right now.
Yeah, I'm the only one here.
ADP आपसे सवाल पूछना चाहता है शर्मन एंड आशा कि हमें बताइए एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट that made you realize that no matter how hard, but true love is priceless.
Someone you want to start?
Yeah. Moments that made me realize. Fortunately, I would think. I think. Fortunately, only for sure. That ऐसा moment नहीं आया है कि मुझे realization की जरूरत पड़ी हो. भगवान का शुक्र है. वो importance and उसकी value हमेशा से I think हम सब समझते हैं. और फिर उसका when you get it, you preserve it and hold on to it. And it's been a long journey. True love holds a lot of meaning for lot of different meanings for different people, and I've also understood that in every different phase of your life, the meaning of that love changes. Uh, uh, People look for constant excitement in a relationship, which is not possible in terms of the initial excitement of getting to know each other, and the first time you get physically involved with each other. Those are those special moments which of course have to be cherished and will be there and for a long time to come. But then thereafter there's another phase where it's just only about being friends and understanding and respecting each other, and the relationship continues. So for me, fortunately, I've gone through all these phases and still going strong, and hopefully yeah, God bless, touch wood, it's still going that way.
Thank you, Sharman. Asha, do you want to take that?
Okay, so I would also agree with Sharman. Like, it's not just one feeling or one thought about it. It includes everything. Good days, bad days, sad days, whatever it is. And according to me, I would say when it's love, it's love. I don't know true love and not so true love, but when it's love, it's love. And yeah, that's what I feel about it. And yeah.
Thank you for that. और a very interesting question नवभारत टाइम्स पूछ रहा है, लॉकडाउन के बाद इंटरनेट सीन कैसे होंगे? सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का ख्याल
नवभारत टाइम्स पूछ रहा है।
couldn't hear you.
लॉकडाउन के बाद इंटीमेट सीन्स कैसे होंगे?
So single guys have to answer this. Only the single guys.
Nice answer.
I'm not too single here.
What?
Sahil is not single.
I'm single. Swab test घर पे रखना पड़ेगा. Come, hello, check.
Okay, pass. अपना कोविड टेस्ट साथ में लेके जा रहे हैं. पहले वो दिखाएंगे अपना कोविड टेस्ट मेल करो, उसके बाद we'll think about the intimate scenes.
Sterilize, gloves, check, thumbs up, thumbs down.
नहीं, I think जब नरेशन होगा तो कास्टिंग के टाइम पे सबका कोविड टेस्ट मांगेंगे.
Yes.
Obviously.
अब भारत टाइम्स इज विद अस. मैम पूछिए ना.
मेरा क्वेश्चन यही था कि लॉकडाउन के बाद इंटीमेट सीन कैसे कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का ख्याल रखना होगा. ये सभी से क्वेश्चन, सभी आंसर कर रहे हैं.
शो में सी, I thought लाइफ में.
But I think by the time हम लोग इंटीमेट सीन के बारे में सोचेंगे, शूटिंग तब तक हम लोग will start leading our normal lives. I think so by the time we'll all
fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
By the time we'll all start shooting, things will get back to normal, because in this scenario it's almost impossible to shoot, because we work with a large unit. There are people of 100 people unit or 150 people unit, so it's almost impossible in this scenario to shoot right now. But I think by the time we'll reach to the ground where
the flower thing, the flowers meeting.
Flowers.
Yeah.
But even then you cannot touch each other.
The flower, we go back to the old times where the flowers meet and the guys are come.
Yeah. Good idea.
अच्छा, क्या ऐसा होगा इसका एक पॉजिटिव असर ये होगा कि बच्चे भी आपके शोज देख पाएंगे?
बारिश तो वैसे भी बच्चे देख पाएंगे.
अच्छा, ओके.
बारिश को
रिलीज
सर्टिफिकेट है
तो बच्चे देख पाएंगे एक्चुअली.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
We have another interesting question from Indian Express, और वो है ये कि फिल्म स्टार्स जो हैं वो वेब सीरीज कर रहे हैं. As an industry, do you look at the digital space as a threat? Sharman, maybe you should take this.
No, they'll coexist. We won't. There's no better time than to understand in this time, because when you're locked at your homes, and we are also desperately looking forward to step out, and the first thing that most of the people across the world do is go out to a movie theater, go out to a performance, a play, a dinner, and the cinema is there to stay. The cinematic experience cannot be replaced by the OTT platform experience, or by television when it first came, or before that when VCR first came. So each one to its own. They'll each have their own space. OTT, the comfort of sitting at home and watching a show at your time, your convenience, works very well. But at the same time, cinema, in my opinion, pretty much irreplaceable. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Telly Chakkar, you want to say a question before that? I just want to say thank you to Sana from Indian Express. Telly Chakkar, question?
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Thank you so much. So, Asha, I have a question that by any chance, Barish has proof your mettle in acting?
I'm glad if people think the same, but see, I did Barish, like when it comes to Barish, I acted after a very long time, after a long gap. And when it came to me, I think I had personally also evolved as a person, as an actor, and I guess, I happen to do a better job than what I have done before. So, and also if people feel the same, I'm really, really glad. But yes, people tell me that, like my work is better than my previous project. So I'm glad if it's something like that.
Okay. All right. I just want to invite India Today to join our chat. India Today se agar correspondent hai. Hi, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Hi, actually, I wanted to ask, post this lockdown, what's your biggest takeaway from this whole phase?
Just we don't need too much to live. We need.
Yeah, exactly. It's all about the simple things and the simple life, And love your people, love your friends, love your family. I'm dying.
Love your bye.
Love your bye. Love your bye.
Bye, like them. Yeah.
Hug your bye. From far.
Also, Barish season 1 was quite a simple love story, but season 2 trailer, it kind of seems that it got complicated. Like, is it true? Like the story has become complicated, too much complicated, or it's still the essence of season 1 it was in its simplicity. So somewhere the trailer was showing it to be again a complicated thing. So
who's saying that? Okay. Okay, so season 2, I think I've tried going a notch higher when it comes to the story also, the performance also, the characters also, but that essence, that sweetness and simplicity is still there. And we're really glad it's still there, because that's what I personally love about the show. And yeah, we just feel it's a better version of season 1, and it is also raw, like how season 1 was.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us. Quick, reactions. Anjali is super excited for Barish season 2. Can't wait for the episode. So please say hi to Anjali.
Hi,
Anjali.
Hi.
Thank you so much.
इशिता पूछना चाहती है कि लॉकडाउन के बाद किससे मिलना चाहेंगे सबसे पहले? बहुत बढ़िया.
My mom.
Me too.
Yeah, me too. Actually.
मम्मी को हक करना है.
Mom.
I can't even say my parents. They'll have to travel, and I don't think I can travel for a very long time now.
Yeah.
I'm stuck in India.
Oh man.
Oh my God.
Don't say you're stuck. You're happy. You're happily in India. Yes, you're all the more bad, yeah.
I have to be positive about it.
Too good, too good. I just want to say over 100 fans have watched this interaction today. Fans and friends of the press. So I think that बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार जो है आप लोगों को मिला है. So I think you should soak it all in, guys, because it's so tough at a time like this to not even go out and to meet the reactions of people. So from everybody, I want to say congratulations and thank you for giving us such a fabulous, fabulous show. Also, a big hello to everybody who've been watching us live on the Z5 Facebook page. Thank you for all the love and all the comments. Would love it if we can take a final screenshot with the cast. So, अगर आप एक और बार अपने best pouts के साथ तैयार हो जाएं. So in I'll give you a countdown. 1, 3, 2, 1.
She's frozen.
I didn't pout. I smiled.
Congratulations once again, and thank you so much to members of the press and
Thank you,
Thank you.
Roshni.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Take care.
Bye,
Bye, guys.
bye, Shaman sir. Bye,
Take care.
Sahil.
See you soon.
Bye, Asha.
We'll hug from far.
Wow. Virtual hug. Virtual hug to everybody.
Hey, everybody.
Take care, Priya.
All the best, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Shaman.